Good evening to you. This is Latika Shami from PressLegend24.online. I welcome all my viewers. Today is 14th October and in the past 69 years back, if down the line, if you'll see, it's all about 14th October 1956 when Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, Bhimrao Ramji Ambedkar had done a masterpiece, you can say, when it comes to India. India is all about rituals, India it's all about traditions, India is all about everything. But when it comes to Dr. Bhimrao Ramji Ambedkar, it's all about Diksha Bhumi. What happened in the year on 14th of October 1956? But before going to 1956, I would like to tell my viewers and subscribers and Indians that in the year 1935 only, this initiative had been taken place by Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar. That he is going to be in a place when he don't want to be a Hindu anymore and he don't want to go according to the rituals of Hinduism. He wanted that a person who is looking after rituals should deny the rituals and understand the meaning of what we call a person should not follow religion. Religion is all about humanity. Religion is all about independence, which Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar wanted to tell everyone. So, in the oath on 14th October 1956, he had taken oath over here in Diksha Bhumi. You can see that this is the place where he took cognizance with all his, you can see, Anuyayis, we call it Anuyayi. So, let's come and see how the program is going on in Diksha Bhumi, as it's a huge day, huge mass. As I can say that above 4 lakh people had taken initiative that day and taken oath as a Buddhist, and 22 verses or 22 their pratigya, you can say, they had taken an oath on that pratigya. You can see a huge mass had come here. The cameraman is showing you that how the people had united here to understand the reality and fact that Dr. B.R. Ambedkar was a learned socio-economist. He was a doctor, he was a lawyer, he was everything, and he had told us that learning is a process. Everyone should learn, earn and be independent in the society. This is all about, I can say, today is 14th October and everyone is happy out there. So be with us, like the channel, subscribe, press the bell icon. With cameraman Vivek, I'm Latika Shami for PressLegend24.online. Thank you so much.
तो इस वक्त हम हैं दीक्षा भूमि में। आइए चलते हैं, देखते हैं किस तरीके से पूजा अर्चना करने के बाद कार्यक्रम शुरू हुआ है और लोग क्या जानते हैं, आइए सुनते हैं उनसे।
तो आइए चलिए जानते हैं, नॉलेज की बात जब आती है, क्या लोगों को पता है 14th अक्टूबर को यहाँ क्यों आए? चलिए बने रहिए मेरे साथ। हाय, क्या आपको पता है आज आप यहाँ 14th अक्टूबर को क्यों आए हैं? नहीं, नो आइडिया। आप जानती हैं?
बाबा साहब आम्बेडकर ने जो धर्म परिवर्तन है वो किया था, हिंदू धर्म से उन्होंने बौद्धिस्ट जो है वो अपनाए थे। यस।
और क्या जानते हैं?
और सम्राट अशोक विजयादशमी भी आज के दिन ही हुई थी।
हाँ।
बस मतलब 2 इंसिडेंट्स हुए थे।
डॉक्टर B.R. अम्बेडकर सर की जो लाइफ एक रही है, लाइफ लॉन्ग रही है, तो आपको लगता है कि जब उन्होंने ये कन्वर्जन लिया था, क्या सोच के लिया था?